When we talk about vehicles getting more complex, you probably think of things like ADAS, sensors, and advanced engine management technology. But windshield wipers? Well, they're probably not the first thing to come to mind. In reality, though, there's a lot of innovation taking place in the wiper blade category. Your customers might be pleasantly surprised when you talk about some of the technology advancements and options that are available when they're looking for replacement wiper blades. Let's take a look at a few examples. We know that windshield curvatures and aerodynamics have become increasingly complex over the years. Because of this, wiper blades need to bridge the contact gap between the wiping edge and the windshield. These Bosch Icon all-weather wiper blades address this need with something that Bosch calls dynamic fit technology. This tension spring arcing technology adapts to the entire curve of the windshield, so these premium beam blades properly hug the windshield regardless of the curve of the driver and passenger sides. And according to the company, the patented ClearMax 365 rubber technology provides up to 40% longer life than other premium wiper blades. How about technology that gives drivers better visibility in all conditions, day or night? These Bosch Focus wiper blades feature night view technology, which creates a single core construction that fuses the blade to the base connector and provides uniform wiping stability, reducing blur for improved night clarity. These ultra-premium blades also feature what Bosch calls Night Spoiler, which combines a water-repelling polymer coating and light-absorbing charcoal powder that reduces glare from reflective lights and repels water to increase visibility. And they have ClearMax 365, which is a dual synthetic rubber technology that provides optimal visibility in all weather conditions. These Clear Advantage wipers, which are marketed as standard beam wipers, offer plenty of innovative features as well. They include a click-on weather adapter system for quick and easy installation, a blended natural rubber with graphite-treated wiping edge to reduce friction, and an aerodynamic wind spoiler to create a downward force, which ensures consistent wiping at high speeds. Windshield wipers are safety-critical components that provide an ongoing replacement opportunity for parts stores. Wiper blade manufacturers are continually making improvements to the design and performance of replacement wiper blades across the good, better, best spectrum, which gives you plenty to talk about with your customers. I'm Josh Cable, thanks for watching.